Have you ever seen a presidential motorcade in person? It's an experience that leaves a lasting impression. It's a sight to behold, a spectacle of power and precision that commands attention and respect. A long line of sleek black vehicles moving in perfect unison, sirens wailing, lights flashing. Each vehicle plays a crucial role, contributing to the seamless operation of the motorcade. It's a powerful display of authority and a symbol of the immense responsibility carried by the President of the United States. The motorcade is not just about transportation, it's about the projection of power and the safeguarding of the nation's leader. But have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to ensure the safety and efficiency of these journeys? The planning and coordination are nothing short of extraordinary. From the highly customized vehicles to the meticulous security protocols, presidential travel is a complex operation with no room for error. Every detail is scrutinized, every potential threat assessed and neutralized. The presidential motorcade, often referred to as the Beast, is no ordinary fleet of cars. It represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and security. At its heart is the presidential limousine, a heavily armored fortress on wheels. This vehicle is designed to withstand the most severe attacks, ensuring the president's safety at all times. This custom-built Cadillac is designed to withstand attacks, equipped with bulletproof glass, run-flat tires, and even a supply of the president's blood type in case of emergencies. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality, providing comfort while being a secure command center. Flanking the presidential limousine are numerous support vehicles, each with its specific role. These include communication vehicles, medical support, and tactical response units. Secret Service agents trained to anticipate and neutralize threats surround the vehicles, their eyes constantly scanning the surroundings. Their vigilance is a critical component of the motorcade's security. The motorcade doesn't just transport the president, it serves as a mobile command center equipped with advanced communication systems that allow the president to stay connected with key officials and monitor events worldwide while on the move. This ensures that the president can make crucial decisions at any moment. Every detail, from the route to the timing of each stop, is meticulously planned and coordinated to ensure the president's safety and the smooth execution of their itinerary. The planning involves multiple agencies and months of preparation. The sheer scale and precision of the presidential motorcade are a testament to the level of care and attention dedicated to protecting the leader of the free world. It's a complex ballet of logistics and security. It's a visible reminder of the weight of the office and the constant vigilance required to safeguard it. The motorcade is more than just a means of transportation. It's a symbol of the enduring strength and resilience of the presidency. When it comes to presidential travel, no mode of transport is more iconic than Air Force One. This aircraft is not just a means of getting from point A to point B, it is a flying fortress, a symbol of American power and prestige that is instantly recognizable around the globe. This isn't just a plane, it's a symbol of American power and prestige, instantly recognizable around the globe. The sight of Air Force One evokes a sense of awe and respect, embodying the strength and resilience of the United States. But beyond its symbolic value, Air Force One is a technological marvel, a flying oval office that allows the president to execute their duties from anywhere in the world. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, it ensures that the president remains connected and in control, no matter the circumstances. Referred to as the White House in the sky, Air Force One is a Boeing 747, heavily modified to serve the president's needs. This aircraft is designed to be a mobile command center, capable of handling any situation that may arise during a flight. It boasts secure communication lines, a medical suite that can function as an operating room, and enough space to comfortably accommodate the president, their staff, and members of the press. The medical suite is equipped to handle emergencies, ensuring the president's health and safety at all times. One of the most impressive features of Air Force One is its ability to refuel mid-air. This capability is not just a convenience, it is a strategic advantage that allows the plane to stay airborne for extended periods, providing the president with uninterrupted travel. This capability significantly extends the plane's range, allowing it to fly for days without landing, crucial for maintaining the president's safety and flexibility in emergencies. In times of crisis, this feature ensures that the president can remain in the air, away from potential threats on the ground. Imagine the president needing to address a global crisis or coordinate a response to an international incident. Air Force One provides them with the means to do so without interruption, ensuring that they can lead from the front, no matter where they are in the world. The aircraft is equipped with advanced communication systems that allow the president to stay in constant contact with world leaders and advisors. Air Force One provides them with the means to do so without interruption, ensuring that they can lead from the front, no matter where they are in the world. The ability to hold meetings, make decisions, and communicate with key personnel while in flight is a critical aspect of the president's role. But Air Force One is more than just a mode of transport. It's a powerful symbol of American diplomacy. The arrival of Air Force One in a foreign country is often a significant event, signaling the importance of the visit and the strength of the relationship between the United States and the host nation. The sight of this aircraft landing in a foreign country often marks a significant diplomatic event, signifying the importance the United States places on the relationship. It is a visual representation of the president's commitment to fostering international relations and promoting peace and cooperation. It's a tangible representation of the president's ability to project American power and influence around the globe. The presence of Air Force One at international events underscores the United States' role as a global leader and its dedication to maintaining strong alliances. From its secure communication systems to its ability to function as a mobile command center, Air Force One is a testament to American ingenuity and the commitment to ensuring that the president has the resources needed to lead effectively, no matter where their duties may take them. This aircraft is not just a tool for travel, it is an essential component of the president's ability to govern and protect the nation. When the President of the United States travels, security is of utmost paramount importance. Every detail, from the moment the President leaves the White House to their return, is meticulously planned and executed with the utmost care and precision. The Secret Service, the agency tasked with protecting the President, leaves no stone unturned in their mission to ensure the safety of the most powerful person in the world. Before any trip, the Secret Service conducts extensive threat assessments, analyzing intelligence reports and coordinating with local law enforcement agencies to identify and mitigate potential risks. Routes are carefully chosen, often with alternative options in place, and locations are secured well in advance of the President's arrival. Nothing is left to chance when it comes to the President's safety. Snipers are strategically positioned along motorcade routes and bomb-sniffing dogs are deployed to inspect every inch of the locations the President will visit. The airspace around the President is tightly controlled, with fighter jets often escorting Air Force One, ready to intercept any potential threats. The level of security surrounding the President can seem extraordinary, but it's a necessary precaution given the high stakes involved. The President is not just an individual, they are a symbol of the nation, and their safety is of paramount importance to national security. Weeks before the President ever sets foot on a plane or in a motorcade, a specialized team of individuals is hard at work, tirelessly laying the groundwork for a seamless and secure trip. This preparation is not just about logistics, it's about ensuring that every aspect of the President's journey is meticulously planned and executed. This is the Presidential Advance Team, and their job is to anticipate and meticulously address every logistical detail of a presidential visit. They are the masterminds behind the scenes, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. These individuals are the unsung heroes of presidential travel, working behind the scenes to ensure that every event runs like clockwork. Their dedication and attention to detail are what make presidential trips appear effortless and flawless to the public eye. They scout locations, coordinate with local officials, and manage the intricate dance of security protocol and public relations that accompanies any presidential movement. This involves countless hours of planning and coordination to ensure that every aspect of the visit is covered. Imagine the President is scheduled to deliver a major policy speech at a university. The advance team's work begins weeks in advance, identifying the perfect venue and ensuring it meets all the necessary requirements. The advance team is responsible for everything from securing the venue and arranging seating to setting up the stage, sound system, and teleprompters. They ensure that every technical detail is in place so that the president can deliver the speech without any hitches. They work closely with the university administration, local law enforcement, and the Secret Service to ensure the event runs smoothly and safely. This collaboration is crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of the event. The advance team's role extends beyond logistics. They also play a crucial role in shaping the president's experience during the trip. They plan interactions and engagements that will leave a lasting impact on the communities visited. They identify opportunities for the president to interact with local communities, highlighting local initiatives or showcasing the impact of presidential policies. These moments are carefully crafted to resonate with the public and reinforce the president's message. Their meticulous planning and attention to detail are essential for ensuring that presidential trips achieve their objectives. Whether it's a diplomatic visit to a foreign nation, a policy speech in a key state, or a visit to a disaster-stricken area, each trip is unique and requires a tailored approach to meet its specific goals. The advance team's efforts allow the president to focus on the task at hand, knowing that every logistical detail has been taken care of. This confidence enables the president to engage fully with the audience and deliver the intended message effectively.